I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the default calendar on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Apps. Step 3. Tap Calendar in this list. Step 4. Scroll down this menu and then tap Default Calendar. You will see a list of all the calendars associated with your connected accounts. Tap the specific calendar you want to set as your new default. A check mark will appear next to it to show it is selected. If you don't see the specific calendar you want to use, you may need to add that account to your device first. You can do this by going back to the main calendar settings page, tapping Calendar Accounts, selecting Add Account, and then logging in with your email provider credentials. Once the account is added and calendar syncing is turned on, that account will show up as an option in the default calendar list. Additionally, if you want to clean up your calendar view even further, you can open the main calendar app, tap the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen, and uncheck any individual calendars you no longer want to see on your main schedule. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.